Use of HCI tools in aesthetic judgment and improvisation in game design is a project undertaken by us in order to implement the knowledge of HCI gained from our course. Gaming industry has a stronghold on the current entertainment business with hundreds of thousands of games available on PC, consoles and mobile. AAA companies and amateurs have been investing heavily in the game industry to enhance the user experience. However, this wasn't always the case. In the early days, gaming companies put more focus on gameplay rather than playability, which led to the UI aspects being ignored. The result was games which had good gameplay but terrible user experience. The human-computer interaction, or HCI, which could have been a powerful tool for improving such game design, was undermined in the game design process. So we decided to conduct this mini project to determine if games have followed the design guidelines and also to use HCI tools to fulfill any shortcoming in the UI aspect. First, we searched for probable topics for our mini project. Since games have been a go-to source of entertainment for all of us and seemed relevant to the focus of our course, we decided on a mini project focused on game design. Then we looked up some pre-existing research papers on the use of HCI in game design to serve as references. Next, we defined the problem statement. HCI is a newly emerging concept in the gaming industry. It has huge potential to enhance user experiences by building user-oriented interface and seamless game design. The purpose of our project was to demonstrate the use of HCI as a powerful tool for UI design in games. We hope that while we could not redesign the games for a full functionality under the restraints of time and our ability, we could remodel the UI design of a specific game. So Mario Party 8 was chosen for this purpose. We made a paper prototype for the redesign of our case study. We conducted peer review and received feedback on our prototype. And from the feedback we received, we made some changes to the prototype throughout the week and made the final prototype ready. Then, we worked on UI design based on our final prototype. This was prepared for users' evaluation. We set some heuristics as a criteria for evaluation of game design. These were visibility, consistency, mapping, structural hierarchy, color coding, universality, and recognition. User evaluation was conducted based on these heuristics. User evaluation was conducted based on these heuristics. After consulting another project group, we obtained some feedbacks on the basis of typography, color combination, navigation, and clickables. Then we further improved our design and created a minimum viable product. User persona was created to make sure that the user experience was positive and any hindrance to user experience was detected. We considered young adults to be our target audience. We created a user persona of a 20-year-old male with some gaming experience considering our target audience. Next, we developed a final UI design addressing cognitive walkthrough and Snyderman's 8 golden rules. For cognitive walkthrough, we used the user persona that we had created to walk through our game UI. For Snyderman's 8 golden rules, we only used the rules fit for our project. Finally, in week 6, our UI design was ready for usability testing. We selected HEP, which is known as Heuristic Evaluation for Playability, as a usability evaluation method. To summarize, in 6 weeks, we accomplished our goal by taking following major steps: defining problem statement, gathering and analyzing information, determining performance criteria, building prototype, evaluating the outcome, and finalization.